Hi, my name's Rob. I'm with Beacon Orthopedics in the DME department, and today we're going to show you how to take off our post-op hip abduction brace. So to start, we have a spot that goes around the waist. You'll see it is marked with a little silver tab here. Just pull that Velcro, and then you should be able to loosen this up. And it'll sit here, so you'll have to support it. And then you have a strap that goes around the thigh that has a silver clip here that slides out of the hook closure here. And then the hip brace comes off. Now we're going to show you how to put on the post-op hip abduction brace. So to start off, I'm going to have you turn that way. To start off, we're going to line up the condyle here with the hip, right where the hip joint bends. And then we have our waist strap that wraps around the waist. And then we just Velcro that back onto the waist strap. And then we have our thigh strap that wraps around the inner thigh here. And this silver buckle here slides into this hook closure here. And then our last step is we have our pull tab that tightens up the lumbar area. So you pull that, and it should tighten up around the waist. And it just Velcros right back on to the waistband.